Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to show the OBD2 port and the cabin fuse box locations on a 2018 Hyundai i30. Both located over the same side of the vehicle, which is the driver's side and the right hand side of this vehicle in this instance. Just open up the driver's door. Down next to the steering column, you'll see this cap here. It says Fuse and OBD. Open that up. And here's your OBD2 port, and up there is your collection of fuses. I'll now put up a fuse diagram. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.